Welcome back, everyone. It was a great morning. We had a special class, and I traded what I taught. I taught it this morning, traded it this afternoon. I'm going to share that with you in just a second. Here's where the market has gone. Ahead of NVIDIA's earnings, the S&P E-minis are not giving up, trying to get back up into the uppermost quadrant of that four-quadrant long-term channel. As you can see, we are continuing to rise exactly as anticipated. A move that can take us back up to that pink line, sitting in the 77.15-ish area, and then potentially graduating up to the 77.40 area. Now, earnings are, of course, a wild card. We've got to be aware that things can change when the earnings are released. But the good news is markets are operating normally as per expectations, including the NASDAQ. Now, we didn't expect the NASDAQ to get into the uppermost quadrant of its four-quadrant channel, but we did expect it to try and struggle bust its way up to the 29,350 to 375-ish area, and that's exactly what it's done. We had some incredible champion trend pack buy signals, triple S buy signals, and most importantly, TRP buy signals. Let me share them all with you for day trading into the back end of the day. We got that triple S buy signal on the hourly bar. We did get the champion trend pack buy signal state. And of course, we saw that big push up, and we saw it on a 1-minute chart as well. And most importantly, as I taught this morning, when we look at the TRP toolkit, it is simple, straightforward. We got the dot, we got the TRP buy dot, we got the crossover dot, and we got another one right at to slightly above the center of the channel. That was then enhanced by the embedded 5-minute chart. So the hourly chart gave us a buy signal. That looks out 3 to 6 hours. The 5-minute chart gave us a buy signal. We got a TRP buy right there at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. We got the momentum crossover dot, the targets are in, and we continue to try to rise towards that target one. Of course, I was trading short term, and I took multiple buy signals that we got on the 1-minute chart, inclusive of the one right here at 245, which took us up to target one. We weakened, went sideways for quite some time, and then got that blue dot and popped right up to target 2 and got a bit of a runaway. I was able to trade individual accounts throughout that entire experience. I traded about just over a half dozen accounts, grossing over $800 with single contract trades and small size lots overall. Looking forward to potentially trading in the after hours when NVIDIA releases. And speaking of NVIDIA, let's go and take a quick look-see at where NVIDIA could potentially go. What we're doing right now is looking at a month-to-date volume-weighted average price code, where the month-to-date VWAP is sitting right over here. You can see it around $217.79. If NVIDIA is to rise, it needs to surmount 212 and 17 pennies, the half standard deviation line below VWAP, and it would open the door for a rise to and probably through VWAP, opening up this room up to roughly 229. Anything above 229 has exponential power and could see us rise all the way up to the 2 standard deviation line right over here. However, if we see NVIDIA come down in the earnings release and, of course, in the aftermath of the conference call, coming down below that thick lime green line, which is 1 standard deviation below VWAP, well, that would be a negative. That's sitting at 206.55, and it would open the door for downside risk that could take us all the way down to the dark green line over here in the 195 area. Now, overall, a successful trading day yet again, as I just showed you, using the TRP toolkit in conjunction with the Champion Trend Pack toolkit to enhance my probabilities of success, and of course, to come out with yet again another profit positive day. And I hope that the teachings that we did this morning were beneficial to you. A big, big warm welcome to all of the new TRP student family members. Can't wait to be on the journey with you, starting first thing tomorrow morning in the live rooms on WealthCharts and in the active trader room. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and thank you very much for watching. Good luck through NVIDIA. We'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now.